You don't sound so excited.
I kind of want to go home. Shut up. You know why it's hard for me to be here, so kiss my
I
hand.
understand, but you're doing good. Not quite as tight. I'm just trying to get this one. It's close. All you have to do is just get that button. Really? What do you do with them? You don't eat them. Oh, no, you just eat them.
Fuck it.
Picture the muscles.
Rifle range. Fire. Fire. Quickly unload your firearms and leave the axle open when everything in your